Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use add yours music sticker on Instagram story. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Tap plus sign from bottom menu. Then tap story. Take a photo or select a photo from your camera roll. Then select the square smiley face sticker icon in the upper right hand corner. Then tap add yours music. Anyone can add music to this prompt and see that you created it. Tap plus sign add music. Then choose a music for your story. When you add your music, then tap share button on bottom right and share your story. Anyone who open your stories, they can tap your sticker icon. They can add music on your story. From your story, you can see who add music. So these are the steps to use add yours music sticker on Instagram story. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.